It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. Happy Father's Day. Look who I found eating his Whoppers for Father's Day. So I didn't think I could even get my husband on. For those of you, oh, there's Coco. Coco! We got the whole family. Now my mom's calling Coco. For those of you just joining me, this is my husband, John.
Hello? Oops. Hello?
We're reversed on the camera, so it's a little difficult. I did not expect to grab him because he's been working on his own projects all day. But guess what? For Father's Day, I get you Dr. Squatch.
I bet you even the box smells good.
I didn't even show this to you yet. It smells good. This is the Blast from the Past collection. Oh my gosh, is it not really hot in here? I am really warm. It's like 85 degrees, you guys, and humid. Okay, so we're gonna dig into this box.
Wrapping paper!
Wrapping paper! There's a lot of paper in here.
Is there anything in the box?
Yes, there's something in the box. Check it out. Blast from the Past collection from Dr. Squatch. Now, Dr. Squatch does these special collections. They sell out almost immediately. Like, as soon as I ordered this, it, like, sold out. Okay, here's one for you. Here's one for me. Which one do you have?
I have the...
Chalky milk.
Chalky milk.
Ooh. Oh, I might steal that one. Open that one up. What is that one? So the special collection consists of, I think there's, 7 bars in here? A couple of them... Is it
sealed for your protection.
Sealed for your protection. A couple of these are from that Alien collection. Like the one, like the Alien brick. Okay, what's it smell like? Does it smell like chocolate? Get that here. It doesn't smell like chocolate, does it?
It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell like chocolate. It's I mean,
what does it smell like?
It wouldn't be a bad scent, but it's just not.
It's not chocolate. Okay,
chocolatey.
This is the Area 51 brick. I like this one. We got that in the last collection. That's strong. That's like a real strong citrus.
Whoa! I'm awake now.
Okay, why'd you open up this one?
Why don't they call this the breakfast soap?
The breakfast soap.
Ooh,
I know, it's really strong. What do you have?
It's like Christmas in July.
You've got Mars Bar. That was the one that we had last time, I think. I have got Frosty Peppermint.
Wait, this one is not sealed.
It's not sealed.
For your protection.
It's not sealed for your protection. Can you get that one out? Oh, men aren't as good as women as opening packages. I shouldn't say that. You guys are having trouble with the packaging.
That smells cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Oh, it does.
Ooh.
That is really cinnamony. Cinnamony.
Cinnamon. What do you have?
Frosty Peppermint. Oh, that one's nice. Smell that. That was nice. Christmas. Yeah. Check it out. I also got you an Alpine Sage deodorant. This is like his favorite deodorant of all time.
My favorite. I mean, right now I'm wearing it.
This one is really nice. So, all you ladies out there, if you're thinking about getting your husband a deodorant, this Alpine Sage one is really nice from Dr. Squatch.
Smell manly.
Okay, what do we got here? I got another one.
Ooh, this one is the
Freedom Fresh. We've never had that one before. I've got Drunken Pumpkin.
Drunken Pumpkin.
Ooh, it's red, white, and blue.
Oh, look at that. Oh, hold on.
I don't think I like this one. Matches my Scoops Ahoy t-shirt. I don't know. That one's okay. I don't know. What do you think? You know what it feels like.
I don't know what it is. It's not a bad smell, but I can't.
I know. I don't know what it is
put my finger on what it is.
And you know what? These are not on the website anymore, so we can't even look up the scents.
So what do you got?
Oh my gosh, this is Drunken Pumpkin. It's like a Halloween soap.
I expected to smell like I don't know, like candy corn.
No. By the way, these are made with natural ingredients, lathers without harsh chemicals. They are cold pressed. These are really awesome soaps, you guys. We both actually really enjoy them. I don't know though. What is? We've got all these. You know what this one smells like? It smells like patchouli. Wait a minute. This is a Little Black Party Dress from Bath & Body Works. Does it smell like patchouli? I think it's got a patchouli essence to it.
An essence of patchouli.
Patchouli. Mm-hmm. It's patchouli. Mm-hmm. Okay, we got.
I'll put this one away.
We got
later.
2 more. We've got Bow Chicka Wow Wow and Irish cream and whiskey.
Mm.
I'm gonna smell. I gotta smell Bow Chicka Wow Wow.
Bow chicka wow wow.
What do you think?
Not bad.
Not bad.
I can't.
Oh, I like this one.
I can't put a. I can't say what scent it
This
is.
one
But it's
is
not
kind
bad.
of. This one's
All
kind
right,
of
Trey.
sweet.
Let me see what you got.
I got Irish cream. I've got Irish cream and whiskey. That one's not very strong though.
Reminds me of what was this?
Oh, I
soap
like
from the past, Irish Spring or
Irish
something.
Springs, yeah. That was a horrible soap from the 1970s.
Eye opener to
Everyone's
be sure.
bathroom. Oh, I love Bow Chicka Wow. Give me this one again.
What if you mix
You
them?
could mix them. I know. Okay. Throwing things. Okay. So, what are your favorites? I like the Bow Chicka Wow Wow.
Which one was the cinnamon one? That was Mars or
the Mars bar. You like the Mars bar?
Yeah, I do like the Mars bar.
No,
Yeah.
that's milky chocolate, milky cocoa. That one. It's this one.
I like this one.
Frosty peppermint. I do like the frosty peppermint. I like Drunken Pumpkin's not bad. The Freedom one, Freedom Fresh. I'm not sure I like this one. I can't smell it very much. Look at how pretty these look together, though. I don't know. I gotta use the chocolate one. You're giving me that one. Look at these. How gorgeous those are when you put them all together.
Are you able to juggle them?
No, I can't juggle them. I'm not that talented. However, just smelling them all together. So anyway, Dr. Squatch, keep an eye out for these special deals. I always buy one. You know I always get one. And then I give this up to him. There you go.
Thank you.
And then we have lots of Dr. Squatch. I do love the formula is absolutely wonderful. We are going to enjoy these. I actually like using them on my hands. Oh my gosh, that peppermint one is just fabulous. So, happy Father's Day. I did get him a couple more things. We got a good lunch. We got a barbecue chicken dinner for lunch. So we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the day, relax. If you're interested in Dr. Squatch, check out their website. Like I said, I'll put the link below. And these special collections, these sell out fast. And I can't wait for Dr. Squatch Halloween. Thank you, as always, for watching. Happy Father's Day to all of the dads out here, and thank you, John, for joining me. I just dragged him off the off the street here. We'll see you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.